Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record your Google Meeting or how you can fix this issue when you're trying to record and Google Meet, you see recording unavailable. You're not allowed to record this video. So let me start from the start. Let me first close this meeting. Okay, so let me go back. Okay. So show me you are in your Gmail and you want to activate a Google Meet. You come here on the Google Apps. Is this icon here, Google Apps. Then you look for Google Meet. It's here. I click on it. New meeting. Let me start an instant meeting. Okay. And it's going to start. Okay. They're going to give me a link, which I want to use. So I can copy this link. Then I send it to the people who would like to join the meeting. Okay. So when I'm here, let me first cross this. When I'm here, and the people maybe have joined the meeting. If I want to record this Google meeting, I have to come here on these three dashes. When I click here, you have to click on record here. Recording will be here. But if you are in a free Gmail, you can't actually record. Okay, so you're going to see the way around that. But what I mean a free Gmail is when you're using the default, Gmail, like, Gmail gives you 15 GB free. So if you're not using the Google Workspace or you have never upgraded your Gmail, by default, you can't record your Google Meeting. Okay. How did you upgrade your Google Meet? How do you upgrade your Gmail? You click on upgrade. Okay. That's when you kind of have to pay for kind of premium Gmail. So let me assume you are not planning to pay for Gmail just to record your Google Meeting. So what you're going to do is you're going to on my computer I have a print screen. When I click on print screen on my Windows, it will start this. I don't know if you're seeing it on the top. Okay, it will start this. When I click on print screen, it starts this it assumes I want to take a screenshot, but also the good thing is there's an option for recording. So you have to click on that recording. Okay, there is a photo. When you leave it on a photo, it means you're going to take a photo. Okay, when you click on record, that icon for recording, it means you're going to do a recording. So you click on that icon, then you come, you realize actually the icon turns to a plus. I think you can see it in my screen, it's a plus. So you go at the, you go and select the whole screen. So let me go on the top left. On the top left where the screen starts, if I go to the top left, okay, then you kind of click and drag the whole screen, what you want to, okay, you're going to record the whole screen. So you kind of drag and scroll the whole screen. Then you release, okay? So after that, don't click on start. First, make sure you enable the recording voice. So you click on that drop down, okay, here where you see the microphone. Then you say, you can select the microphone that you have. If you're using your computer by default, it will be a microphone. But on my PC, I have an external, so it has selected external. So by default, you'll be seeing like here microphone. What you have to click here is you have to unmute. So this is something which most people forget. If you don't unmute, it means it will record, but it won't record the sound. Okay. So if it's muted, it has that cross. If it's unmuted, it's just a microphone. So after unmuting, click on start. Okay, it will count 3, 2, 1. Now you can record your Google Meeting. So in case maybe you are presenting, all this session will be recorded. Okay, maybe you're presenting or whatever you're doing. So the whole, actually, even this sharing thing, everything is going to be recorded on the screen. Actually, it's recording. You can see like 21 seconds, 22 seconds. So in case you want to pause, you can easily pause and do what you want. Okay. You can even navigate away from actually the window. It's actually to just record everything. Okay. So after that, if you want to resume, you can actually play. If you want to stop, you can just click on this stop. When you click on stop, you realize actually it is here. You can easily click on this, then click on share. So actually you can just click on save, okay? Save as, then you can save it on your desktop, okay? And that is it, guys, okay? So if I want to play this, let me kind of try to play it. Now you can record your Google Meet. See? All right. So that's how you can actually record your Google Meet without actually installing anything. Show me your computer supports the print screen, then the recording thingy. It can really do the whole recording in your Google Meet, okay? If you're interested in videos like this, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, or you can like the video, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye-bye.